We have our dignitaries. On the high table, we have Madam Margarita Vidier, Mrs. the head of the Montessori department. Let's clap for her. We also have Mrs. Benedicta Wontumi as the head of the administration. Let's clap for her. We have Mr. Johnson Samuel Odami, the CEO of the primary department. Let's clap for him. We also have Mr. Trevor, the CEO of the GGIS department. Now we also have the director of academics, in the person of Dr. Matthew Kitu. Let's clap for Addison. The President is coming. Your Excellency. Wow.
His Excellency
How do you check the President? Welcome, Mr. President. I can also see his bodyguard.
March in the colors with a band present arms.
Now the Ghana have your second charge.
Band center. Quick march.
Commander Joseph no go so odi ni bima fefe fana. Upon whom papa. Oman Ghana, adisima Kron Ghana. Amana ye fedodo.
Girls like taekwondo, senior citizens, Montessori, girls racemakers, doing some marketing responsibility. I, Cadet Officer Joseph K. Jama, from 6B report. Sir, may I have your permission to start the arrest?
Oh, Commander Jabba, I want to home at the empire. What can you give me? I'm saying, I'm really or call on me, Commander Koshe. I'm a slave for any my form in I see more and say, Did you ever request of a fair far? Aha, me pamoja samri ya best sama honga sini ni demo Oma entrance, honga sini ni demo Oma entrance, eda mwasi de bwe, eda mwasi de bwe, eda mwasi. Aha, oma mpeni eri tutata, ori share say, eye isimfua komanda ndane die tsebelo. Bibi e koso fefa na dina aye sa pepa. Jama mpeni ana ko apro na. Jama mpeni ere ko apro. Aha. Jama mpeni ere ko apro. Bibi no dina koso fefa. Share Panya, Amanda, Fassina, the family, and you want to be pa. Say, I can't everything in one, I can say my someone. I know one said, yeah, I'm a Pania, I think I am. I said, I found the Africa. Yeah, my I think I'm going to so I'm penny to me for a pro every Samray. I'm penny everything about it, not the Ghana Samray.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. Onami will give a welcoming address.
Yeah, Commander Jabba. Let me say, what about the problem, Penny?
Pray! Marching time is no time, a quick time, in colors of trees. Red star!
Commander, no.
Right! So much!
Oh, Commander.
These are current army who are prepared of God's Great International School leading, followed by the girls' guide. These are market women, as I said earlier on, they played a major role in our independence. Yes, you can all see the Montessori department marching. Wow, the leader of the that young man is so excited. That is why we saw him trying to display his Ghana flag on the field.
Sir, your display over. May I have the permission to display?
I Commander Joseph Jaba, Ababes Rapine. I'm a woman beginning in a airport one.
Color party!
Sir!
March of the colors! Present arms!
Commander Joseph Jaba.
Color party! By center! Quick! March!
Funama, the beginning of
Let's clap for them. Let's clap for them. They've done very well.
Commander Joseph Jaba. Commander Joseph Jaba. Boy, Juma, papa. So what should I Commander Joseph Jaba? I may have been saying a friend in the crowd you were. And so I want so one knows people will say yes, Commander Kasa. Oh, I have papa. Aha, Commander Joseph Jaba. Aha, why that's Mama now you papa. Oh, I have a year, guys, aha, it's a feel for the boat.
done very well.
Today, fellow Ghanaians, today we gather to celebrate our nation's independence, a day that marks our freedom from colonial rule. As we commemorate this significant milestone, I extend my sincerest gratitude to the new Patriotic Party, MPP, for graciously accepting the election result, demonstrating their commitment to democracy and the rule of law. I also want to take this opportunity to congratulate the vetting committee for their excellent work in selecting our new ministers. I extend a warm welcome and encourage you to work diligently to save our great nation. As you embark on your new roles, I urge you to remain sober and selfless in decision making, always prioritizing the well-being of our citizens. Furthermore, I expect all of you to disclose your assets and maintain a clear conscience in your duties. As your president, I am proud to report on the progress we've made in transforming our economy. Our vision for a 24-hour economy is becoming a reality, with initiatives aimed at boosting economic growth, creating jobs, and improving the overall quality of life for all Ghanaians. In the realm of education, we've made tremendous strides. Our free SHS policy has opened doors for countless young Ghanaians, providing them with access to quality secondary education. Additionally, we've introduced teacher-free allowances and free first-year university education, further solidifying our commitment to empowering our youth. Infrastructure development has also been a key focus area. We've invested heavily in upgrading our roads, expanding our rail network, and modernizing our ports and airports. These initiatives are not only improving connectivity, but also driving economic growth and job creation. As we celebrate our nation's independence today, let us remember the sacrifices of our forebears who fought tirelessly for our freedom. Let us honor their legacy by continuing to work towards a bright future for ourselves, our children, and our beloved nation. Long live Ghana, long live. Thank you.
Then, the timetable will follow.
Oh, Mama, now you're
Thank you very much.